Then we're going to talk about the numbers. I'll give you the secret sauce. How within minutes you can decide, okay, this is the property. They want $1.5 million. I'm going to offer only $1.1 million. Well, how did you know that? How does it come to you? And you can say, when we assign it, we can assign it at $1.6 million, so there'll be $500,000 increase in value. You will make minimum $50,000. You can make up to $125,000 on the upside assigned to me. How will you know those numbers? I'll show you how to do it, and once you know it in your own backyard, you can do it anywhere. If you move tomorrow to Dallas, which I don't know why you would move there, but anyway, if you do, you would still apply the same formula. If you move to Oklahoma, you'll apply the same formula. And people often ask me, Cherif, will it make sense if I go to some rural area outside, there's just not much business? Well, let me ask you, in that area, do they have a McDonald's? Do they have a Burger King? Do they have a Subway? Do they have these retailers that rent? Do they have a 7-Eleven? So yes, it's applicable anywhere. You may even get the building cheaper, and when you put the big tenant, its value become a lot more. You're with me on this?